had thought about going into nursing, so I had become a student nurse at a hospital, and my job was kind of like a CNA. And one of the jobs that I was required to do was sponge baths. And I remember this one time there was a man that I was getting ready to give a sponge bath to. He was on oxygen, and the registered nurse had just left his room because she had to insert his catheter. So I was just going to wash his hair, shave him, wash his feet and underarms, things like that. So like I said, he was on oxygen. He had a mask over his face, and he had a towel over his private area. So as I was washing his hair, he was mumbling something from behind his mask. He said, "Nurse, are my testicles black?" And I was a little embarrassed because I didn't know how to answer that question, and I was just there to wash like his hair, his upper body, his feet. So I just ignored the question and continued to do my job of washing his hair and upper body. And like 4 or 5 minutes later, he struggled to ask me again. He said, "Excuse me, nurse, can you check and see if my testicles are black?" Well, I was concerned that he might, raise his heart rate too high or his blood pressure too high, worrying about his testicles. So to put his mind at ease, I went and lifted the towel that was draped over his private area and took a look, and then put the towel back down and said, "You can rest assured, sir, your testicles look normal to me." He then took his hand and removed the oxygen mask from his face and said, "Well, thank you very much, ma'am, but I need you to listen to me very closely, okay?" And I said, "Sure." And he said, "Are my test results back?"